In a shocking turn of events, ZANU PF, the ruling party in Zimbabwe, is facing severe criticism for rewarding a convicted child rapist, Bobby Makaza, with extravagant gifts. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The controversy deepened when it was revealed that prominent businessman Sir Wicknell Chivayo had gifted Makaza a vehicle. Makaza's heinous crime shook the nation in 2018 when he was found guilty of raping a 10-year-old child. Despite being sentenced to 18 years in prison, Makaza's punishment was drastically reduced after President Emerson Mnangagwa granted him a pardon, allowing him to serve only 3 years of his sentence. Adding fuel to the fire, ZANU PF, during a presidential rally in Mutawatawa, Mashonaland, East Province in 2023, presented Makaza with a house and a significant sum of cash. The gesture had sparked outrage among Zimbabweans, with many questioning the ethics and morality behind rewarding a convicted rapist. Critics argue that such actions not only undermine the severity of Makaza's crime but also sends a dangerous message to society. This is today's news about the people of Zimbabwe being outraged by ZANU PF's decision to reward Bobby Makaza with extravagant gifts. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.